Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. This is the Radisson Blue Hotel. It's golden glass color. And right in front of us, you will see the Double Tree Hotel. I believe this is a service. That building on the left is the locally known as Hamburger Building. For obvious reason, it looks like a hamburger, isn't it? Here you can find plenty of parkings, so you will not worry about parking slots. It's available everywhere. Radisson Blue Hotel. Before, this is called the Ramada Hotel. This Hamburger building is an office building. Also find here a good car showroom at the ground floor. Here in the video you can see the Ramada signal. This is the Dairy Queen fast food, where you can also find Papa John's Pizza and Boss Coffee Shop. There are plenty of seating inside and outdoor also, so you can enjoy the view, the surrounding of the Ramada signal. You can see a lot of flags from participating countries. Because Qatar is hosting the FIFA World Cup. It's currently ongoing. That's another new building, and I believe it's a new hotel also. looking at the Ramada signal again. If you're going to southwards, it will lead you to the Abu Samra border with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. About 1 hour from this signal or intersection. If you go north, you will reach the Musharrif downtown and Souq Waqif. This is the night view, my friends. We are facing the Dairy Queen with Papa John's and Boy's Coffee. There's a drive-thru where you can order your food. Again, that's the hamburger building right there. It's shining in the dark. Go east, it will lead you to Hamad International Airport. And if you go west, you will reach the West Bay, which is the Doha Business District. Now looking to the Ramada signal. Enjoy the scenery, guys. This is one of the best locations in Doha. Very popular also. Ramada Hotel or the Radisson Blu Hotel currently. And again, that is this building in front is the Doubletree Hotel. Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.